about y'all.
Ready. What's going on, y'all?
What's up, Mike?
What's going on?
Yes.
Angelo?
What's up, Angelo?
What's going on, brothers? All right.
What's going on?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, Hype.
Hype? Okay. Yes, sir.
Love the music, love the music.
Yes. Thanks, Lo. Yes, sir. So hot up? Yes, sir. Hold up. What's going on? How you, man? Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, most definitely.
Yeah, we appreciate y'all. We in the building. Gotta get comfortable.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. Hope you feel better, family. Yes. Love y'all guys, man. Yeah. We in the building, y'all. We got the Slide/Pure Records Entertainment in the building, you guys. They hot, man.
This should be cool.
Sure?
Yeah, this should be cool. My little sister is
Yes.
Hype? What's up?
But me, you got my phone?
No, honey.
Yes, sir.
My phone's so high. I just had it, but
Yeah, you had it
I got it
somewhere.
on the sound show joint.
Yeah, okay. You had it somewhere. I don't know where you put it.
Do this.
Yes.
Y'all good? Everybody, y'all straight?
Yep.
Yeah, here we go. You good?
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Shout out to the Sly Fox Pure Records family in the building. Yeah. Sound show. You already know. So, yo, Hype, turn around.
They're ready in the
I'm over here, you know what I mean? I gotta play the DJ today so y'all can have room. What up, Rome? That's Hype right there. Uptown Rome. Angelo. What's up, y'all? Y'all in the building. Shout out to my man Sly over there. Shout out to Ace. I see y'all. You already know how we do this, man. Sound Show episode 6. Welcoming y'all, man. Y'all our first guests, you know what I mean? So, Hype, man, what's going on? We gonna get it started with you, you know what I mean? What's going on, my brother?
Man, not much, man. Just enjoying New York, you know what I'm saying? It's been a lot of love out here, so, man, I'm very excited. I'm very excited for what's to come, you know? So,
Yo, we really appreciate y'all coming to the show, y'all.
That's a
sir,
fact.
hey, y'all showed us a lot of love on Instagram, you know, and anybody that shows us love, we always like to reach out and make things happen with them.
Yeah, we appreciate that, man. Rome, what's good, my G?
What's going on, King guy?
Yeah, you already know, man. It's good to see y'all, man. It's good to see that y'all made it up. We appreciate y'all coming through. Y'all made it safe and everything. You know what I mean? Angelo, what's good, baby?
Yes, Angelo. Hey.
Yo, y'all can hear yourself on the mic, right? Everybody good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Y'all good money, right? Yo, Puzzle, you know, you usually stand and all that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, you good, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're gonna get it started, man. What y'all wanna do? You wanna kick off a song first? You wanna talk a little bit more? It's y'all day. You can play a new record, whatever y'all wanna do. Just let me know what y'all wanna do.
Hey, we
You wanna
back.
play
Yeah.
We back, man. Y'all house. What's the move? Let's get it.
Yeah, let's get it.
Let's
Shout out
do
to
it.
y'all. What y'all wanna do? You want me to kick off, son? Yo, Hype, you gonna have to do your verse zoned out then. Everybody gonna have to do their verse with the
I
dance
know
like.
that
So
shit.
loosen it up.
That's it.
I mean, let's loosen this thing up.
Let's go.
You know how we gotta do this, man.
Yes.
This thing warmed up the right way.
No
Shout out
doubt.
to Hype. Shout out to Uptown Rome. Shout out to Angelo. Shout out to Hope Pure Records. /Sly Fox Entertainment family. Let's go, Hype, man. We're gonna start off with Zoned Out, man. I love this joint right here, Hype.
Appreciate
This
it.
joint is crazy, my G.
Appreciate it. I produced that too, so let's.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's give a little bit of your verse on this joint right here, too. You know how we do, man.
Yeah.
Sound show every Saturday 2 to 3, DCF Radio. This is live, y'all. Let's go.
Live, baby.
Look. Yeah. Look.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Sound show every Saturday 2 to 3, DCF Radio.
Yes.
Since a young age, I've been that boy. Flow so wavy, I was born on the shore. Peace to the gods. I was driven like I'm sitting in the front with the keys to the car. Walking on the pool in the feet with the stars. What I mean is I'm hot, take a beat with the bar. Then the chief and I release is a screaming, get pushed to the end. I might go up the deep end. Here's what I'm thinking, still very blinking, staring at the ceiling, traumatized for my demons. My mind is being amazed, yeah. I do not hear what you say, yeah. We know what you need today. Hey. I was still that man, like the way they say on these two black hands. amazing. So let's talk about it. Niggas talking about it. Talking once, they might be talking about it.
Hey, got it. Hey,
Talking about it.
hey.
Cause that from the three.
Hey.
It's so good.
I'm not trying to remember this shit.
It's so good. It's so good. So good though.
Yeah, but that's one of my favorite songs I've ever done, man. Like I was just like the song say, I was in the zone, like being my homeboy, you know. When we wrote that song and we just really just went in and just spoke our mind on that.
Yeah, that song is incredible.
Very dope.
Yeah, that was like the first project I put out independently. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And like I said, I produced that record too, so it was just when it came together, it was just amazing. So I'm glad y'all rocking with it. I didn't even know y'all went back that far.
It's real. We love y'all music for real.
We bring them back to the future. You know what I mean? On the sound show, we bring them all the way back to the future. You know what I mean? So y'all can understand where y'all at now.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Love, man. That's love, man.
That's wrong. It's your turn, wrong. Your turn, wrong. You know what I mean? Yeah, wrong. Heard his bang and all that, but it's okay. You know what I mean?
It's there.
You know what I mean? Let's go, man. We working. You know what I mean?
Y'all dig in the archives, what y'all ain't got?
Yeah,
that's what I'm
We gotta get a drink that we love, man, before we move on to some other records.
Okay.
Okay, Rome.
Oh,
You know we love this drink right here too.
Oh, Rome, this that
Angela, you next, my G. We got a couple drinks from you we love as well. Big support over here at the sound show from Pure Records, Slot Fox Entertainment.
This is our city.
What's up, my G? You know how we do this, y'all? You know how we do this, y'all? Let's go, bro.
Go ahead, Rome.
Yeah, I'm the loudest in the city now.
Yeah.
Nigga disagree and bring him out. I'ma line them up and pick them out. Guaranteed I'll sit them down. Ain't nothing new, I've been around. Think about me, never been a clown. Started down, I'm the nigga now. I'm the loudest in the city now.
I'm the nigga. I'm the nigga. I'm the nigga. I'm the nigga now.
I'm the nigga.
I'm the nigga.
Oh yeah.
I'm the nigga now. I'm the hottest in the city.
Now.
Sound show every single
Got
week.
it now.
Hey.
Hey, I'm not
Got savage. Ain't sleeping shit with that ratchet. Last time I had beef, made a sound with some people, no lagging. Guns all up under the matches. All who used to take it to practice. Off with that cabbage. I want my mama live lavish.
That's
Gotta
what I'm
put
talking
up for my
about.
family. So I do damage. Turn the rainbow with that manic. You pull up and let you have it. I don't be laughing. Tell me these questions, they asking like, what they want wrong with you snapping? I ain't just rapping. Been doing that shit.
whole room bouncing.
On the mansion in Dallas. Pull like
Whole
a
room
cannon.
bouncing.
Back when they messing on panic. Shit going down like Titanic. It's Christmas, I'm Santa. Black and white diamonds, I'm painting. That kitchen, I'm whipping the man. Simple tangent. Then I took my ass to college and broke every bitch on the campus. Yeah, being managed. But when you shine, they can't stand it. Don't never take this shit for granted. Why I be snapping?
They fucking up, y'all. Look at that in the building. Sound sweaty,
Now they be clapping. Watching me make this shit happen. Like, y'all won't miss the main attraction. But how does that titties? Taking these pictures on cameras. That day on Facebook, she gon' tag me. Little bitch is savvy. Comments on what I'm the baddest, the loudest nigga on the plane. And my bitch like that action. She set you up if I ask her. She so that titty like Janet. Shorty so ratchet. Go to your room with that ratchet and lay your way down like a pallet. I am not bragging. I have a fetish for fashion. That package Orlando, no magic is gone when I'm bagging. Swear that shit gone when I'm bagging. The way that both is fantastic. I'm really fed up. All these rappers feeling like they taking over the city. I am so tired of this movie. I seen it over and over. When that shit is over, come get me. These niggas ain't know. They said I was broke. I went and got me a check. The last nigga said, hey, that I ain't have bread. I went and got me a set. Said I caught the robbery. Should I cop the lamb or should I cop me the bed? I come on for now. And in less than a year, I come back and cop me the rest. I'm the loudest in the city now. Nigga disagree and bring him out. I'm the line them up and pick them out. Guaranteed I'll sit them down. Nothing new, I've been
Shout out to Uptown Rome.
about me, never
Let's
been
go.
around. Started down.
Shout out to Hype, shout out to Angelo. Pure Records.
I'm the nigga now.
See the video to that too right now. Make sure y'all check that out.
I'm the nigga now.
Sound show every 2 to 3 DTF radio every Saturday.
I'm allowed
Let's
to
go.
pick them out. Guaranteed I'll sit them down.
Yes,
Hey, y'all, hey.
Hey. Yo, that was some hot
Make you want to
heat.
kick somebody in the chest.
Wait a minute,
I'm gonna say that every time. I'm gonna say that every time.
That shit bring like.
You already know, man. I definitely was on deep
That's
here, man.
Yeah.
You already know,
Right,
man.
right.
It's Angelo. It's your time, my G.
Woo, come on, Angelo.
Ask Angelo something real quick.
Oh, you already know. You know, Angelo, I really like your song lately. It's really like hip hop and like R&B, that real sound that we need to hear nowadays.
That's
you know what
right.
I'm saying? So let me ask you something. What inspires you? Like, what type of music inspires you to do what you do?
Well, a lot of music inspires me because I take inspiration from, what all I go through in my life. So
Okay.
sometimes I may approach a song and I'm feeling, like I want to sing, or I approach a song and I'm feeling like I want to really speak something.
Love it.
That means something to me. So it just depends on where I'm at in that situation and my mindset. So
Love it. Love the answer. Love that. Love
Yeah,
that.
man. We appreciate what y'all doing
Yes,
out here,
yes.
man. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So much heat. I'm sweating.
Me
I move
too.
around in the room.
We
I
gotta
got
turn the
one
AC
heat.
up. It's so
You know what I
hot
mean? It's
here.
alright, bro. I'm like, we gotta work, right? You know what I mean? Real man can't be afraid to sweat.
That's
you know
a
what I
fact.
mean? Alright?
No, we
Okay,
bring
let's
so
go.
much heat. That's
You know what I mean?
so much heat.
Shout out to
here.
my man A. Shout out to Slide. See y'all over there, my G. You know what I mean? Let's go, man. Angelo, we're gonna get into your record right now.
Straight
It's
up.
time to get into this joint. This joint is called Lately, man.
Let's
this is
do
a
it.
fire
This my shit
record,
right here.
man.
This that Meets
You know, we
Request,
played this
baby.
on Sound Show 3, I believe.
You
know what I
already
mean?
know.
So let's get into this joint, my G. It's your time.
Let's come
You
on,
already know,
Angelo.
man.
Let's do it for the ladies.
Yeah, man. Oh, where you from, Angelo?
Where you from?
originally from Cincinnati, Ohio, but I moved to Dallas not too long.
Okay.
that's good.
Lovely.
But I'm currently in DC.
Okay.
Big up to everywhere you from and where you came from and where you at now.
That's right, man. Let's
Wait
go.
up.
This is Angelo. The song is called Lately.
This is Meets Request. Angelo, welcome. This is that heat, y'all.
Sound Show
Lately.
every Saturday,
Hi.
3 DTF Radio.
Haley. Hey. Uh-huh.
That's why I told you that day.
Hey.
You know we coming from bed.
Hey.
So these girls they gon' hit
Uh-huh.
because they ain't nothing better.
Yup.
I want you to know I'm your ride or die.
Hey.
Come in here, I come fast.
Yep.
I'm down, trapping just like we body class. We on 85, up to Spotify.
Hey.
Hey, girl, I ain't playing.
Hey. Hi.
Tired of all names when you hit me up.
What? Lately? Woo.
Girl, I
Hey.
apologize if I've been
Hey.
like
Lately. Hey, fuck it up, hey. Sound Show Squad, baby. Yeah, Radio Squad in the building. Sound Show 6, baby.
Baby,
Baby. Woo.
It's a vibe.
It's a vibe. Yeah. Always.
You're right.
You already know, yo. Yo, let's promote a little bit too, yo.
Ooh,
That was a
Lately,
fire
baby.
record too, Angelo. Once again,
That was
Angelo Lately. You know what I mean? Let's make sure we get that clear.
That's
You know what I
right.
mean?
That's right.
Yo, don't y'all have an event or something like that going on today, y'all?
Oh, yes. Talk about it, y'all. Let's talk about it.
We got a listening event, man. Ron
Okay.
coming. I'm gonna let the
Go ahead, Ron. Go ahead,
Hey,
Ron.
we was gonna dive into that. He was like, hey, get in there. So, hey.
Hey, I'm gonna let the star of the show. I'm gonna start the show with the talking, man.
No,
We all stars,
Yeah,
baby.
we all
Kings
stars,
and
baby.
queens in the
Nah,
building.
we got-
Equally.
we
You
got-
dig it?
We got a special weekend, man. A big weekend, man. That's lined up with a lot of stuff like now, man. A lot of
Yeah.
people, a lot of platforms and stuff for us to come up here and really showcase our talent, man. We having a listening session tonight. Matter of fact, we've been working since we've been up here.
Oh, man, that's
All
what
of
I
us.
love.
Down the
Yeah,
start,
like
man.
every
Nice.
artist in here, every one of us, like
Yeah, y'all been working incredibly hard, y'all. We see y'all.
Facts. Y'all
Y'all
giving it up.
It ain't nothing but fire being
Oh.
dropped. You know what I'm saying?
Definitely,
Everybody
man.
genuine, everybody righteous, everybody got to work that they self.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And that's what this listening session about, is really bringing the world giving them a dose of what's going on.
Right. Let them hear your new music and your new projects and stuff like that, right? Y'all got a lot of music out already, and then y'all letting them hear also the brand new stuff that y'all bring into the world, right?
Yeah.
What's up, Cuzzo? I see you over there, man. 77. Yeah, we working, man. You know what I mean? Hosting our first guest, man. These guys is incredible.
Facts. They are hot, yo.
So what y'all want to get into? You want to
loving
get
the vibe.
into another record?
Loving the
Or y'all
vibe.
want to politic a little bit more first? Or how y'all want to do this?
We could politic. So what's on y'all, man? What's on y'all?
Well,
Jimmy?
I want to see what other record y'all got.
What's up with y'all? What's
Oh man, we just working, man. Sound Pros Productions. You know, I'm a producer. We also got Sound Show Radio. You know what I mean? Sound Show Radio Squad, myself. So High 420 over there on tech support. Tamika Baby, of course, the only one and only female. That's my cousin over there, Red Said 77. You already know, man. We the Sound Show Radio Squad.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Got a lot of music stuff going on. I produced a few records for a couple mainstream people, mostly independent. But you know, we still on the, you know what I mean? Still on the come up, still working. You know what I mean?
Facts.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? What they say, Sly, like Pap said, I'm a yogi. I'm a young OG. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing this for a little bit of time, but not too. You know what I mean? Not old or nothing.
I like that.
Perfectly in the middle. You know what I mean?
No doubt.
So I can relate to what's going on in the future and a little bit of the past and the present and bring it all in. You know what I mean?
That's
Sure,
right.
man.
I
Definitely.
got a
Go
question.
ahead.
Ron.
I see y'all digging them archives, right?
Right.
What else you got back there? Everything.
Well,
you know what I'm saying?
What new tracks you want to play? I got something you want to play? You want to hear a request or something? What we doing?
We got
Okay.
new shit. We got
Okay.
We got
What we
a bunch of
doing?
shit. We can start right here. Then we'll go down.
Oh, shit. You want to start it right here?
Oh, no, that's cool,
That
man.
was an order. You feel me? Shit.
Yeah, I feel you. I feel you.
Let's see what else we got. You feel me?
Yeah, man.
Let's see what else we
Yo,
got.
we wish we could be here all day. We got like
Nah, that's
fucking
a
13
fact.
minutes, bro. We gotta make it count. You know what I mean? Yeah, we got a little bit more time. You know what I mean? So we just gotta break it down a little bit, and then you know we could do something more continuous. We don't know how long y'all are here. When are y'all leaving?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow too, right? Cool. But yeah, you know we're gonna continue to play records. So before y'all leave, dump off all your new music. We're gonna invite you back. You know what I mean? Because we need like maybe 2 hours with you guys. So we're gonna work out something crazy. You know what I mean? But definitely we're gonna play some more joints though. You know what I mean?
Hey, but for all the listeners y'all do got, man, make sure y'all tune in at pure_records_music.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like tonight.
Okay.
It's
Yo.
gonna be a dope event, man. A lot of good energy, a lot of good vibes, a lot of good music. And it's up, man. The whole
That's a
team.
fact.
It's definitely gonna put on, man. It's definitely gonna be a big.
Yo, I like that new joint you got too, bro. No cap in my rap.
What?
That is fire. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all leave that with us so we can continue to play that. You know what I mean? So we can get that playing. You know what I mean? Let's get in a couple more. Let's get in one more verse or two from y'all. You know what I mean? Let's go, hype. Let's get this in there. Everything is great.
Oh, this is my shit right here. This that one right here.
This the one right here.
Woo! I love
Got
it.
one more from each one of y'all. You already know. Sound Show episode 6. Let's go.
Kanye West was with a mega hat. Jigga when he said he got his swagger back. I'm bringing to the table what these rappers like and that skills, nigga. Let's get back to that. I can actually rap, I mean like back to black. The floor is chemistry, now watch your words react. I'm dope as fuck on every track we left. I don't fake the funk, I'm speaking actual facts. They say life's a movie, yours comedy. I could be arguably the best nigga rapping, so don't fuck with me. I tell you humbly, so don't fuck with me. Look at me, like you got a window, I'm an R9, who is high as me? Leveled up, slide last year, so why you promise niggas ain't eyeing me? The irony, I'm like 5'6", confident like I'm 6'5". Life been moving a little fast for me, got me wishing I could freestyle. But you know destiny to call, I think maybe I need to switch lines. One time for my real supporters, promise y'all that I'ma hold it down. Look, they ask how I'm doing, I tell them I'm fine. Never got off of my grind. They say that I'm stashing that dope like I'm holding a dime, but really they meaning my lines. They keep sleeping on me, I don't chip on the credit. That interest gon' climb over time. I could just come in and give me kill all these rappers, but I'm tired of seeing niggas dying. Yeah, I've been putting in work, just got 1,000 follower alert. Yeah, these beats got the stain on my shirt. Got like a year left in college. I promise mama I'ma walk rest they stage for you first. After that I gotta go chase my dreams, cause that piece of paper is in question my thirst. Yeah, I've been up late nights writing rap songs. What the fuck is it done for me? I've been up stomach full off of instrumentals. I'm like fuck it, I'm still hungry. Got done fucked up way too many times, but you show me you still love me. We have our moments, maybe, and this shit be crazy, but girl, I know you're here for me. This isn't meant to be lyrical. This is me in the beat getting spiritual. I've been doing so much in a year. I hope all of my dreams manifest in the physical. I've been giving you niggas the visuals. I've been trying to run up on residuals. I just want to put all of my niggas on, cause I know that shit is too critical. All these moments are beautiful, beautiful. Even you know those were real. What you gon' do? But let me see you do often. I'm cynical. Actions will always provide all the proof. I don't take handouts. I was born with a closed fist, so I never got my hand out. Got it from the ground up. From the dirt since a little boy. Now we see what it's man about.
Yeah, man, that's just heat right there.
Yes,
You know,
sir.
we definitely appreciate
Heat,
that.
yo,
You know
from
what I mean?
hype,
Gotta
y'all.
do one more
Oh,
from
come on.
everybody, man. We appreciate that.
Come
Like,
on.
everything is great, you know what I mean? We're just trying to make the best of the time we have, right? You know what I mean, y'all? But we got more to come, though. So definitely stay tuned for that. Angelo, it's your turn now, and then we're gonna do Rome. We love this record right here too, man. This joint, Elevate. It's a tough one right there, bro. You know what I mean?
Yes,
So
sir.
can we get into that real quick?
Let's get it.
Let's do
All right,
it.
you know what I mean?
Let's go, baby boy.
Can we get into that real quick? This is crazy right here. Shout out to Slide Fox Entertainment, Pure Records. Angelo, Elevate.
Hey.
Steady pace, elevating on my paper money. Making it
My boy
jiggy,
Angelo,
innovating. I ain't with the talking. They gon' show you that they need you, scary concussions. That niggas hating on the noise, just trying to press my buttons. But since the music therapeutic, hope it give me something. Speaking truths from the heart because it can't do nothing. I'm still nothing but I'm something humble with abundance. I always knew the kid would make it, had to stay humble. Through a little time, cheese and I ain't seeing hundreds. Don't want the fame, that ain't my game, and I'm just being honest. Don't want to blame just for my pain, I had to stay modest. On my shawty, Jimmy Gucci, they gotta be the hottest. Got it stripping up and listen, now she turn, got it. Ain't gotta worry about nothing, cleaning that I promise. Had to raise your vibrations, I ain't letting that shit. Like, turn out, we gon' elevate.
Elevate.
Yeah, resonate. Don't get that hate. Just elevate.
Boy, hype.
Yeah, we gon' elevate. Elevate. If you gotta meditate, then meditate to elevate. 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 Elevate.
Yeah, man, that's heat right there.
That's that
bro.
smooth shit right there.
That's definitely
Yeah,
good right
definitely,
there, man.
definitely.
Definitely, yo. Shout out to the Pure Records family. Shout out to Slide Fox Entertainment. You already know. I mean, we gotta do one more from you now, bro. I mean, what you wanna do, man?
What you got back there?
What you wanna do? What you wanna do, man? Let me know.
Great, go to the archives.
Nah, yeah, I'm playing some joints that's up already.
Oh, yeah,
Let me know what, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, right now, but y'all gonna have to leave us all a brand new joint. You know what I mean?
okay.
And then we're gonna continue to play them. You know what I mean? For y'all, you already know we locked in. Sly, you already know how we do it. You know how we do. We locked in. You know what I mean?
Also hard, we can go. I'm gonna give some of the new shit.
Hey, yeah.
Let's
Yeah,
go,
you know what I
let's
mean?
go.
Having this shit.
What you got that up there? You got it up online right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need something that's right there so it don't fuck with our timing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, nah, it's on.
I need something that's right here. You know what I mean? So we don't fuck with your time.
Now,
You know what
got
I
that
mean?
heat.
What's up with O's? You don't want to do your verse for that? Nah?
Nah.
Alright, cool. I get it. I get it. You want to do what? Don't tell nobody?
There's a story behind that, bro.
Yeah, I understand that. I understand that. I understand that.
Yeah, don't
What
tell
we
nobody.
doing?
Don't tell
What we doing? What we doing?
Don't tell nobody.
You want to don't tell nobody?
Okay.
I copy that. You know what I mean?
Let's do it.
No, you know I understand, man. I operate at a level. I understand, bro.
You already know.
I understand this industry stuff, man. Let's go.
Hell yeah, bro. You know how it be.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Once again, this is Uptown Rome. The song's called Don't Tell Nobody.
Cincinnati stand up. Augusta stand up. Pure Records stand up.
Yes,
You hear me,
sir.
man? Don't tell nobody. Yeah.
That shot is fire anyway.
Fire.
Rome, you already know.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's see what's
All
going
they
on.
got is that heat.
Hey, I can't run from nothing, but don't you tell nobody. I'm from a place where niggas trapping and catching bodies. I won't tell nobody, but being bro, better ask somebody. Wherever I go, I gotta have exercise. Swear I got this, man. Ain't nothing, but don't you tell nobody. I'm from a place where niggas trapping and catching bodies. I won't tell nobody, but being bro, better ask somebody. Wherever I go, I gotta have exercise. Swear I got this, man. From a jungle, the struggle is how I came up. Hitting legs, standing on corners, seeing the same stuff. I was raised up, my mama taught me you came up. Terrorize the city, that me and Diddy got the same truck. Trigger finger itching, these niggas hit you for drugs. Cop a couple chains in the watch, they think you the plug. Now we in the parking lot waiting for him to let the club out. Run down with your homie, but ain't no love. Now they ain't no dumb niggas, just being broke, ain't no fun niggas. Gang bombed up, ain't no big homies for the young niggas. She get real where I'm from, and know you kill where I'm from. They missing meals, can't pay the bill, that's how it feel where I'm from. Don't tell nobody. I'm from a place where niggas trapping and catching bodies. I won't tell nobody, but being broke, gotta ask somebody. Wherever I go, I gotta have rest beside me, swear I got his money. Ain't nothing but I'm too tell nobody. I'm from a place where niggas trapping and catching bodies. I won't tell nobody, but being broke, gotta ask somebody. Wherever I go, I gotta have rest beside me, swear I got his money. Really came up from nothing, I was chasing the money. Same goals, 3 days straight, wasn't changing for nothing. Had some OGs around me, was out here swinging the hustling. Taught me the game as a young and I earned the name off the niggas. Got the sister though, we should be ashamed to see some change. Now she need needles to ease her pain. Just see her veins, her body, it'll never be the same.
Sound show every Saturday, 2 to 3, DTF Radio.
He a lame, I'm trying to change my people say.
Shout out to Uptown Rome. Shout out to Hype. Shout out to Angelo. The whole Slide Fox Entertainment / Pure Records family.
I'm from a place where niggas trapping and catching bodies. I won't tell nobody. Being broke, gotta ask somebody.
Yes, man. I got that
I know I gotta have rap beside me. Swear I got his money.
They just came to tour the building now, y'all.
That's right, the same heat right there, bro.
Yeah.
So we really appreciate that, y'all, man. We wish we had like 2-3 hours in here today with y'all, man. But we only got an hour, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? We're sorry about that, you know what I mean? But we're gonna invite y'all back some more, man. We had a good time, man. You know what I mean? Definitely.
Right.
You know what I mean? Yeah, man. We only 6 episodes in, man, but we doing something major, bridging the gap from independent to mainstream, man. Cause that's the light that I walk in. I walk in 1 foot independent, 1 foot mainstream through all my experiences in the industry. So we trying to make sure we bridge that gap for up and coming artists and all of that. You know what I mean? Because there's a lot of up and coming independent artists that got music that's just as big as this mainstream shit. You know what I mean? And it needs to be more focused on. It needs more attention. And this is why we do this shit. Sound show every Saturday. DTF Radio 2 to 3. You know what I'm saying?
That app.
You know, we do this for hip hop, right, y'all? That's a fact, man.
Yes.
Shout out to Slide Fox Entertainment, Pure Records. Once again, shout out to Hype. We really appreciate you coming through, my guy. We appreciate you.
Shout out to y'all.
Shout out to Uptown Rome. Shout out to Angelo. We really appreciate y'all coming through, man. Sound Force Productions. You already know how we do this shit. Sound Show Radio Squad. You know what I mean? We got an show, man. Follow us. Everybody give me your IGs and all that, man. Do your promotional rundown.
Oh, well, everybody can follow me. My IG is Mika Bugatti. I'm on Twitter, Instagram. That's my handle, Mika Bugatti, like the
Cool,
car.
cuz.
What is it, bro? What is it?
Let's go, guys.
Go ahead,
Red Sand 77, you can follow me on Instagram.
All right. Go ahead, so loud.
Man, Uptown Young Bone.
That's right.
Yeah, Uptown Young Bone. Y'all can see everything there.
Facts.
Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DA_insane hype.
That's a fact.
Instagram and Twitter, so like you said, everything on there, man.
Facts.
That's right. Angelo?
Angelo Music, ANGXLO Music on all platforms. Find me there, chop it up.
Yeah, make sure y'all check out these guys' music, man. They have amazing music, man. They got a lot of hot projects out there with new projects on the way. They got the listening party going on later on today. So make sure if y'all can be there, be there. If y'all can check in visually, do that. We'd like to thank y'all for tuning into the Sound Show, man. We really appreciate y'all, man.
Appreciate y'all.
And closing out. Till next Saturday, y'all.
Till next Saturday, y'all.
1.
Woo!
Appreciate y'all, man.
Yeah, that was hot, y'all.
That was love. That was love.
We appreciate y'all too.